From reserved railway ticket bookings to facilitating couriers, IRCTC, like you mentioned, is all set to launch a new avatar of its mobile app to bring all the services under one roof. Moreover, it will also be offering freight services to customers, which could lead to adding major e-commerce players as clients as well. Sources tell us that IRCTC's Super App is included in the 100-day action plan of the Indian Railways. In fact, Sameer Dikshit is standing by with more details. Sameer, tell us about this.
Railways is planning to come up with a super app that will provide all these services through a single platform, whether it be to the passenger side or to the freight side. This super app will be termed as IRCTC app and will have two options, one the passenger and the other one the freight. So if you are a passenger and if you are looking to avail the service, whether it be booking a reserved ticket or a unreserved ticket, even booking a meal when you are traveling on train, or booking a flight, a cab booking, a hotel booking, anything that will be provided through this IRCTC Super App. Similarly, if you are a freight customer, if you want to book a parcel that to be transported to some other city, one unit of parcel can also be booked. So through this Super App, you can avail all the services related to the freight side as well. Now, what IRCTC is looking to achieve through this Super App, the first agenda or the first target is that IRCTC is looking to expand the customer base. As of now, of the total reserved ticket booking, approx 80% is done through the IRCTC app, but IRCTC or Railways is looking to expand the revenue with this super app. Secondly, the freight customers, the ministry or IRCTC is looking to attract new freight customers, expand the freight basket as well, and that will help to increase the revenue. So these are a couple of big targets that Railways is looking to achieve through this super app, but this app will be like a one-stop solution for all the railway needs. It is a part of Railway Ministry 100-day roadmap or the agenda, but to ensure that everything is put under the right boxes, this app can be rolled out by December. So this is for sure that this year itself, this super app will be rolled out. But yes, this super app will help to expand the user base and the revenue base for the railways.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.